Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Now, until now you have learned how to use basic functions or features on Fusion 360 software for various purpose. Now, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use all those features as per the requirement to create a basic 3D model. So, here is one 3D object. I hope you are visible. It is visible to you. So this is a basic simple object. So for that you need to prepare a solid model which will appear same as like this on Fusion 360 software. Now while preparing a 3D model for any object, you need to consider the orientation of the object. Now whatever object you are looking, how is the orientation, you need to try that the same appearance or same orientation you will get on the Fusion 360 software. So while sketching or on Fusion 360 software, you need to take care of that, and also along with the dimensions. So proper dimension or giving dimension to the sketch is necessary. Now if you observe, the cross section of any of the shape is not constant. Okay, that means if you want to divide this part in sub parts, then how will appear? So first of all, one base plate is there. Okay, that means thickness is constant up to this 9 mm. Don't confuse between 6 mm and 9 mm. This is 9. Okay, so thickness for this plate, let us suppose 60 mm length, and this 12 plus this 9, and also on this other side 9, so total 30, or here you can say that here is a 530, that means diameter is 30, so this width is total 30. So 60 by 30, you can create one rectangular plate initially. Okay, and then you can join the next component. So first we will create one rectangular plate which is having dimension 60 mm in length and 30 mm in width. So we will go to Fusion 360 software. Now if you observe over here, as this plate is horizontal, so you need to draw a sketch on the horizontal plane, and by using extrude option we can create this plate. So along this axis, that means x axis, the length is 60, and along this z axis the width is 30. So first of all, select this horizontal plane and go to create sketch option. Now here I need to draw a rectangle of the length 60 mm and width as a 30 mm. So instead of using directly rectangle option, I will make use of a line command for drawing a rectangle. So line command I have selected. So half of the width, that means I will enter 15 over here, 15 again. Now total width is 60, so exactly horizontal 60, then next total width is 30, again take a line command starting from this point, again this 60, and finally join to this point 15. Okay, so we have finished this sketching of the rectangle, that means 30 mm width and 60 mm length. So finish this sketch mode. Now using extrude command, I will create one plate, extrude. So you need to select a profile, I think I forgot to draw line from this point to this point. So again, as this is not closed figure, I need to repeat that sketch. So go to sketch mode again, or you can undo the operation and go to sketch mode. Again select line command, select this point to this point. So now we have got a complete rectangle. So using extrude command, whatever the thickness of the plate as per the dimensions. Here thickness required is 9 mm, so enter 9 mm over here. Okay, now if you see on this side, or this is a chamfer, okay, 9 mm by 9 mm, and also on the other side there is a chamfer. So first of all we will create this chamfer for this plate. So go to modify, select this chamfer option, then select the edge. So this edge is required, this edge, then equal distance option, as the on both the sides distance is same, and enter 9 mm over here. So it will create a chamfer. Okay, now same action I will have to repeat on the other side, but instead of using chamfer option again, you can do the same thing by using mirror option also. Okay, I have already explained you how to use mirror option, so we will make use of that feature. So go to mirror. Now earlier your feature is chamfer, so select that chamfer, then mirror plane you need to select. So for that select this plane, so on other side of the corner also the chamfer will get created. Now further, now we want this extension, that means you need to join one rectangle along with this circular end. Okay, so for that purpose we will draw this 18 mm by 30 mm rectangle, and along with this circle 30 mm circle, half circle, and we will join it. Okay, so for that purpose go to this face, create sketch option, go to create sketch option. Now you can make use of rectangle command from this corner. Now this length you want as a 30, press tab and give width as per the requirement, so it is 18. If you observe the diagram, press enter. In this diagram this dimension is 18 from this end, or as we have taken this as a 60 mm, so for starting from this point thickness is 18 or width is 18 for that rectangle. So we have drawn this rectangle, that is 18 mm by 30 mm. Then next one you need to draw a half circle, that is of diameter 530. Okay, so go to center diameter circle, this is the center, and draw a circle of 30 mm diameter, press enter. Now this remaining part of the circle is not required, so using trim option you can remove that part. Now we have drawn this rectangle along with this half circle, so we have finished this sketch mode, finish the sketch. Now using again extrude option I can give extension to this or add thickness to this, so use extrude option again. So select both the cross sections, half circle along with that rectangle. Now we have drawn this on this plane. Okay, so on below side of that plane also and on the upper side of that plane also we want thickness. Okay, so here direction is option is there, so select two sides option, and on the vertical side dimension is this, already 9 mm is there, and on that level we have drawn the sketch. So this total 30 minus 9, so 21, and 9 on the below side. So on the upper side there is a 21 thickness, and on the below side there is a 9 thickness. So here enter as a 21, and on this side to press or enter the value as a 9, and make sure that operation is join, because we don't want to cut the part we want to join. Okay, so press OK. So this you will get. Now further you need to provide one rib. This is a rib like structure of 7 mm thickness. Okay, so for that purpose we have already learned how to use rib feature. For that you need to draw one line starting from this point to this point. Okay, so again I will go to Fusion 360 option. Now select this plane, this XY plane for drawing, create sketch. Now go to line option. Now zoom the sketch, select this point and drag it up to this point. Finish this sketch mode. So you have drawn this line. Okay, now again go to create, select rib option. Now use this line, select this line. Now already by default option is depth option is to next, so up to next surface. So this surface and this surface, the thickness of the rib will get adjusted up to next surface which comes in contact, and thickness 7 mm. You can change here, but already we know that our thickness in our case is 7 mm and thickness should be symmetric on both the sides. It should be symmetric. So press OK. So you have created one rib over here. Now finally what is required, you need to cut one hole. Okay, here it is written R 7.5, that means radius of this circle is 7.5. so diameter is 7.5 into 2, that means 15 mm. So you need to cut one circle over here. So using extrude cut feature you can cut a circle over here. Press right click, go to create sketch option. Again using this as a center, draw one circle, enter diameter as 15 mm, press enter, then finish this sketch mode. Again go to extrude, select this, select operation here as a cut, and distance should be all, that means throughout the thickness of the object, that hole should get cut, and press OK. So if you observe, that hole will get throughout the length. Okay, so this is our final 3D model as per the requirement and as per the orientation. So if you observe, what steps we have carried out, we have using extrude feature, we have created one plate, then using chamfer option you have chamfered this corner, then using again extrude option you have created this vertical portion along with the circle, half circle. Then using rib feature you have created one rib over here, and using extrude cut feature you have created a hole over here. Make sure that, or keep in mind that, try to maintain symmetry to this center point so that it will be easier to use mirror feature and also other features which are required. Okay, thank you.